Welcome to City High. My name is Mrs. Platt. I'm one of the assistant principals here at City High. I am also the grade level principal for the class of 2024, our current 9th grade students. A unique cultural element about City High is that we loop with our students. So the same principal and teachers that you start with in 9th grade will be the same principal and teachers that graduate your students in the 12th grade. Looping allows us to keep our focus on academics because we have already built relationships with the students throughout the years. Welcome to City High. I'm going to take you on a tour of our building now. Welcome to our cultural literacy classroom. Cultural literacy at City High is a combination of English and history taught together. In this classroom, students are able to learn collaboration skills through project-based learning. They are also able to explore current events through the content area of English and history as well. There are typically 4 teachers in this space. It allows for low student to teacher ratio. Students are also able to access the learning up close and personal through the use of the whiteboards in the front of the room, as well as the use of the whiteboard in the back of the room. The Cultural Literacy Classroom is our largest class here at City High. Wondering why I'm in the green room? I'm not. I'm actually in our City High Multimedia Room. At City High, students are able to take a digital media courses in grades 9, 10, or 11. This allows you to become familiar with the different opportunities in digital media that exist, and it allows you to become familiar with just multimedia in general. At City High, this space is also used to record any videos, student-led videos such as the City High News or different recordings that we put out, all student-run, student-produced, and student-edited. Welcome to our senior wing. The senior year experience at City High is very unique. It offers students the opportunity to apply the independent learning skills and the work skills that they learned in grades 9 through 11 here in the 12th grade. So every student at City High has a carol in the quiet room. This is a space where they will come to work. They can decorate it however they like. They essentially is their home base here in the building. While you're here, you will sit quietly, work on your assignments independently, and complete whatever necessary work that you have for your classes throughout the day. Your daily schedule is an individual schedule. That schedule allows for you to participate in seminars as well as a lecture every day, and then it also has your built-in independent work time. And during your independent work time, you can come here in the carol to work, or you're able to schedule small study groups with peers to complete assignments in various classes. In the quiet room, there's also a quiet room teacher. This teacher is in charge of monitoring the students' attendance, as well as ensuring that students are able to be working in an independent environment in this space. She's also here to help, or they are also here to help students with whatever work that they need assistance with. We're currently in the 4th floor quiet room. To our City High Science Lab. This science lab is one of 4 labs that we have in the building. Students in grades 9 through 11 will explore science in the areas of physics, chemistry, biology, and general science. Students in grades 9 through 11 who do lab experiments, those experiments are preparing you to participate in your independent research project in the 12th grade year. As a senior, you're able to select any scientific topic that you're interested in exploring further to do your independent research project on. We are currently in the 11th grade science lab.